Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are well. So friends, yesterday I went to Thane and there I met Dr. Tejasri. She is my sister or you can say my friend. So we both went there for shopping. So yesterday I bought Indo-Western dress for me and also bought so many cosmetic items. Especially, I went there for foundation. So while taking foundation, I tested so many foundation. I was not getting foundation of my skin. Yeah, tone as you know. First time I was taking foundation, so it was very hard while finding that foundation. So there were so many testers. So I tested all that foundation. I applied on my skin, and then after half an hour, then I decided I found my I found my said foundation set, and that was set number 370 of Lotus. Yeah, I took that, and then I went to another place to take other things. So there, after taking foundation, I and my baby, Dr. Tejasvi, we both ate sev puri. Yeah, so we ate that and that was very tasty. Yeah, so that shop is in Thane, and I don't remember the name of that shop, but I don't remember that shop name, but that sev puri was very delicious or tasty. So friends, you should visit there and you should taste that sev puri. So yesterday I enjoyed a lot with Didi, and then I came back at 9 o'clock to my home. So this all was about yesterday. So friends, what did you do yesterday? Tell me, comment me. Did you practice your English language or not? I was practicing. While going, I was talking in English with Didi, and I asked to. Disi told me that I have to talk in English because where I went to take my dress, so that uncle was talking in English. So Didi told me that Aru, I have to also talk in English. I don't know. So I told to Didi, you should talk in English. You should practice with me. So she said yes. So this is English language is must very important. You should learn it because wherever you go, even in shopkeepers are nowadays talking in English. As I told you, where I went to in showroom, there was so many people. I think most of the people were talking in English. That shopkeeper uncle was talking in English, and I was amazed. So this language is must. You should learn it wherever you will go. You will have to talk in English because this is international language, and you should know it. Yeah, so if you didn't start yet, start now. It's a very good opportunity. Whatever you know, start speaking. First words, then sentences, small sentences, then big sentences. First, you should open your mouth. Whatever you know, start speaking now. I'm here. As you know, I'm also talking, I'm also learning so many words, so many sentences. I'm not perfect. I'm learning every day. And earlier, as I told you, I was not able to talk even a single word. This happened just because of practice. I started speaking words which I know but I'm not using. So I started talking those words which I know but I was not using that. So started talking words, then small sentences, then big sentences. Now in front of you. As you can see, I'm talking. Yeah, that's normal. I'm hesitating also, that is also normal. But when I will face all these things, then only I will be able to talk. Yeah, so I'm here, I'm saying you to please start your journey now. Yeah, so start talking, and whatever activities you did yesterday, you have to describe as I told you in front of you. You start practicing now. Bye.